Hello guys. Today is another Monday, so I will be showing you guys how to create a click funnel, and mainly this funnel will be built for a e-com or a some type of product store. So you can do digital products or physical products. For you guys that don't know, ClickFunnels is a sales funnel created to help businesses automate their sale process from A to Z. So mainly for entrepreneurs. I just realized in all my videos I'm not mentioning my name. That's a complete blower. But anyways, my name is Mon Skelton, and I'm going to start mentioning my name in all my videos. Just for the people that don't know me. So because I'm going public with everything I do from this point forward. So let's get to this funnel building thing. I'm gonna keep it very simple, short, and sweet. So we're not gonna bedazzle the whole funnel now. We're not gonna make it look really, really well, but we're going to show you how to create this thing um simple as possible. And maybe once you get a hang of it, if you decide to go with ClickFunnel, once you get the hang of it, you will be able to bedazzle it the way you want. So let's continue on. This right here is the industries you choose from. So I've chosen e-commerce, and the type of funnel I want to sell a product. So I'm gonna do it from scratch. I actually been playing with this for about an hour now, just to see all the tools they have as far as like building a funnel. I honestly don't even build funnels. I just I use what someone else already built, and I customize it to my liking. But today I will just create something from scratch. So all of it is nearly the same, so it's not a problem to do that. So let's do one. Pick it out myself, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to get this thing done under 10 minutes. Yes, it's loading. Oh, it's about okay, creating this funnel, man. It's gonna be dope. So I'm going to slide down till I find something that I like. I already have an idea on how this funnel gonna look and what kind of template I'm gonna use. So you have many choices to choose from. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. So I'm gonna use this one only because I already have a product on this funnel. My wife's business, she makes homemade soap, natural organic soap. So I'm going to build her a funnel. I'm probably gonna go back into it and add more stuff to it later. So right now I'm going to keep it simple. I always add the pictures first. You do your content last. You decorate first. Let's see what this look like. I got two mock-ups. I got the one with the soap and one without the soap. It's easy to upload pictures, as you see the upload button, and it's simple as that. So it's not complex at all when it comes to uploading pictures. And you see how the white background in this picture, I'm going to change this whole background white just to match the picture. So just pay attention on how I'm doing things. I keep everything simple. So I might have chose the wrong one. There we go. Mess with this word because that's not my wife's name. So alrighty. So next thing is to change the logo of this particular business. I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna change the colors to all this stuff. To have it looking like it's supposed to look. I like that content, so I'm not gonna say because that's that kind of go with this soap. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna change this content at all. But I will do this for you guys. I will show you how to. It's a simple page funnel, so I will show you guys how to change the words to each little thing just to show you that I can do it. I don't know if you think I can do it or not. So change your life and say sign up. Order now. Pretty easy, man. Pretty easy. Free shipping. I'm going to leave that. All of this a lie, but I'm going to leave it. I'm just playing with the colors to see what I can come up with. And you know how you see how the footer is kind of big, so try to shrink it down just a little bit. Change the size of the logo. Change this color as well. Text color. Wow. Try to keep everything simple. Like I said, I'm going to see if I can finesse the colors a little bit better than I have it. And we're done, man. I just want to show you guys how simple it is to do this thing. So let me see if I can change these icon colors. Yeah, we're gonna change the icon color.